I've got a trick to get Claude AI for just $3, and almost nobody is using it. Yep, just $3. So how does it work? Most people simply pay full price because they don't even know this option exists. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, use the link in the description or the pinned comment. That's important because it's the only way to access these discounted offers. Once you're on the platform, you'll find a specialized marketplace. Instead of buying a regular subscription, you can browse different Claude AI offers based on your budget and your needs. You can filter by plan, subscription length, or sharing option to quickly find the right one. For example, this shared Claude Pro offer gives you access to an official account that's guaranteed for about 30 days. And the price, around $3, when you compare that to the official Claude Pro subscription, which costs around $20 a month. The savings are pretty impressive. You still get access to the same core features while paying only a small fraction of the regular price. Need something more powerful? The platform also offers Claude Max and Team plans at discounted prices, so you can simply choose the option that best matches the way you use Claude AI. If you want to use this trick yourself, just use the link in the description or the pinned comment. That's the only way to access these discounted prices. Besides Claude AI, you'll also find many other premium services on the platform. And don't forget to use the promo code KVVNY to get extra discounts on selected services. Take advantage of these deals while they're still available. Click the video on your screen. I'm sure you'll like it.